And now the news in detail. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has strongly condemned the East Khasi Hills district administration for its alleged failure to tackle the alarming rise in crime rates against children, some as young as 4 years old. BJP State General Secretary Wankit Bokposhna said that the administration has failed to discharge its duties from every angle, despite multiple incidents that have shocked the public in recent weeks.
Mewake Lingdo, who's a Yuva Morcha president, and towards my right, Kong Priyam Badabla, who's a East Khasi Hills district president. So the purpose of this press conference today is basically to express our deep concern to whatever has been happening in the state in the past 1 month, especially in our East Khasi Hills district, where we have seen that the district in particular has been gripped by horror and grief following the two brutal crimes against children that have shaken the conscience of the entire state. As we have seen that in September, the lifeless body of 4-year-old in Sapira Lingdo Maunai was discovered at an under construction site in Nongra a day after she went missing. Just weeks later, the body of 7-year-old Krishanbor Kharmudai was found in a forested area near Maupat, confirming yet another case of homicide. If you look at these back-to-back tragedies, have sparked outrage and fear amongst the residents of the state as a whole, and in particular of our district, East Khasi Hills district, raising serious questions about the district's administration's ability to ensure public safety, especially for its most vulnerable. In the light of these devastating failures, there is an urgent call for the government to take decisive action, beginning with our demand from the party, the removal of the deputy commissioner of East Khasi Hills district, whose leadership has come under intense scrutiny. The people demand accountability, justice, and immediate reforms to prevent further loss of innocent lives.